Yo, what's good, guys? This is Tate back here with Fishing with Tate YouTube channel, and today we're just at my farm. It's 10:53, and it's currently up here in Tulsa. It's currently 44 degrees out here, and we're just gonna do some fishing and have a little fun. So, yeah, let's get in ponds. People stock tarpon in ponds.
Really?
In Florida.
Florida, that makes sense.
I'm sure you could though. If you had a saltwater pond, you could stock tarpon in there.
Yeah.
And striper. I feel like striper would grow more in saltwater.
You put striper
In freshwater, yeah, they're hybrids. I feel like they'd grow faster in saltwater though.
Bigger.
Yeah.
This part's already side by side. It's long.
Yeah. Long and flat. Kind of. There's so many good places out here to put a deer stand.
I can't imagine. Could you imagine if there was a house out here?
Yeah, I know. That'd be crazy.
Right here? That'd be crazy.
This would definitely be my place to escape reality. There's water in this one this time. When did this thing get here? No, this is a trail.
Not too long ago, honestly.
I should get like rod holders and mount them onto my dirt bike. That'd be so cool.
That deer blind we saw?
All the way back in there. Yeah.
Through that gate.
There's, Grandma said there's a tree stand back over there.
And there's one in the tree. Tree stand.
Yeah.
By the river, by the creek.
Yeah. That'd be a good place. There's too many houses around me, or I'd hunt my creek. Yeah, that's what I haven't marked on my Onyx that there's one back in there. That's what Grandma told me it was.
In the winter, they find in the woods. I've walked half a mile.
I didn't even wear my watch today. My phone would count the steps. I might.
Good boy.
Thank you. I'm a great boy. That's my go-to comeback for that.
Don't say that.
Hey, there's barbed wire there in case you didn't know. What's that? It's a belt loop for like a pocket knife or a gun. I wonder if Grandma and Grandpa still have that holster with that fake pistol in it. You remember that? I haven't even opened that box in forever. We've been out here for almost 2 hours now. This is what really needs to get mowed down. Yeah. He definitely should. But I feel like it kind of messes the pond a little bit. During the summer, we could almost bring the side-by-sides and dirt bike. I could just, if I get a truck before, like, for my birthday, then you could just, like, me and just out to Love's and just sit in there while I drive. Because you're older than 21.
That's pond on the property. And probably huge.
Is it good?
They got a big old look at a damn lake.
Do they let people fish it?
I've never fished it before. I've only seen it once.
Well, you should walk up to the door and ask if we can fish it. This is the earliest I've ever fished in a year.
Usually fish it stuff.
No, I'm talking about like in the year.
Oh,
Like, I don't think I've ever fished in January before today. I usually fish like late February, early March for those spawns.
No spawning anywhere.
You leave that pole at the gate?
Huh?
You leave that pole at the gate?
Yeah.
Oh no! You make Tate go get it.
No, it's his rod. I thought you've seen it. I feel like that was here.
That back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was here last time. Alright, we made it. It's time to go fishing. I gotta retie first though. Yeah, I know. He's back.
Huh?
He's back. Of course, babe. But I ain't gonna bite you hard. I don't think so. I don't usually carry like bait for my spot now. They should be going to my spot. Alright, I just switched my rods because that one did not want to throw anywhere. But we should be back in business now. I got this reel from my papa's shop after he passed away.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Everybody got one, and then my cousins got mad at me because I got first choice even though I'm the second youngest. I caught my PB on this reel too.
Here, fish to your right. I'm on your left.
Okay. This water's pretty clear. What? A shell?
Yeah.
Is it used?
Duck hunting. Yeah.
What is it? 12 gauge?
4,
Huh?
3 3/4 to 1, and I don't even know what that means. 12 gauge. Somebody's duck hunting.
Or they could just be shooting. That's the barrel or the length of the chamber.
Somebody was shooting that shotgun right here at one time. That thing don't look old either.
Uh-uh.
That's fine.
This pond's usually great. It's just so early in the year.
Yep.
I feel like you can't see the gold at all. I need like a bright color. I could throw, I don't know if I have the pinks that goes in here or not. There we go.
That action. Dang, that's actually pretty good. I'm on scale.
Can you go get it for me?
Where is it?
Hanging off my bag.
Get it for you.
There we go, boys.
That's not bad.
Mm-mm. Ugh. Can you grab my phone out of my pocket right here?
Are you kidding me? Actually?
I'll grab it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Sus as hell.
£1.70. £1.50.
1.7, that's what you gotta beat. Long arm in that. Picture, long arm it.
Thank you, boy. We caught our first fish with